Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and now what we're gonna talk about is key 4 in the symbol object. So what it does, it retrieves a shared symbol key from the global symbol registry for a given a symbol. So moving on, we need to create first a const. Something gives something like global system, like that. And now we use the symbol property for and pass foo. You mean you can pass anything? I'm passing foo, don't get confused though. And now what we're gonna do is log it on the console. So use the symbol dot key 4. F is the uppercase though, don't you know. Global sim. So when we do that, it's gonna return foo because it's retrieves the symbol key. So foo. Now next thing what we're gonna do is const now local sym equals use as a symbol constructor and equals to that, make as a like a prototype. Now what we're gonna do is create a const, and no, I'm not gonna do that. Just forgot, and I think I said anything. Just do this. Log it on a console. Use symbol and dot key 4. Inside that, local system. Now it's gonna say undefined because it doesn't have anything. And if we do inside that, if you put like symbol dot iterator, it's gonna say undefined, I think, because it doesn't retrieve the symbol value. So if you're making something like validator, something like that, it's a good it's a good program to make like that. Iterator, yeah, iterator. See, it's undefined. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.